5 essential facts about BRCA gene and cancer risk. Knowing more about your genetic profile could truly be a game changer, especially when it comes to preventing certain cancers. One of the most important things to understand is the connection between the BRCA gene and ovarian and breast cancer. It's a topic that can seem a bit complicated, but it's incredibly important for women, especially if you have a family history of cancer. Before we go further, remember to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends or on your social media platforms. Now, let's dive back into the video. Fact number 1. BRCA gene mutations and the increased risk of breast and ovarian cancer. We all have BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes. These genes play an important role in maintaining healthy cells and fixing damaged DNA. However, if these genes are mutated, they don't work the way they should, leading to a higher risk of developing certain cancers, including ovarian and breast cancer. Research has shown that more than 60% of women with BRCA1 or 2 mutations will develop breast cancer during their lifetime. By contrast, about 13% of women in the general population will develop breast cancer. In terms of risk for ovarian cancer, research shows that women with BRCA1 mutations have a 39 to 44% chance of developing ovarian cancer in their lifetime. BRCA2 mutations, on the other hand, carry an 11 to 17% risk. In comparison, the risk of ovarian cancer for the general population is much lower, around 1.3%. If you have a family history of ovarian or breast cancer, genetic testing can help determine whether you carry one of these mutations. Fact number 2. BRCA mutations can be inherited from either parent. This means both sides of your family history matter when assessing your cancer risk. If one parent carries a BRCA mutation, there's a 50% chance that they will pass it on to their children. These mutations are present in all the cells of the body from birth, known as germline mutations. While you inherit one copy of the gene from each parent, most embryos that inherit harmful versions from both parents don't develop. Even so, inheriting just one mutated BRCA gene is enough to significantly raise cancer risk over a lifetime. Understanding your family's medical history is key to recognizing potential inherited risks. Fact number 3. Early detection is crucial with BRCA mutations and can be a lifesaver. Routine screening is essential for catching ovarian cancer early when it's more treatable. Unfortunately, there's no single foolproof method to screen for ovarian cancer. However, women at high risk can undergo screenings like transvaginal ultrasounds and CA-125 blood tests, which help detect cancer in its earlier stages. Some doctors recommend combining these tests every 6 to 12 months for women with BRCA mutations, but it's important to know that these screenings don't always detect ovarian cancer. Sometimes, CA-125 levels may not rise even if cancer is present. Additionally, high levels can lead to unnecessary and potentially harmful testing. While early detection may not be guaranteed, regular monitoring gives women a fighting chance. Fact number 4. Preventive measures can lower cancer risk. For women with BRCA mutations, preventive surgeries can significantly reduce the risk of ovarian and breast cancers. Prophylactic oophorectomy, which involves the removal of the ovaries, can reduce ovarian cancer risk by up to 90%. A prophylactic mastectomy, which removes breast tissue, can lower breast cancer risk by about 95%. These surgeries are very effective, but they're major decisions that come with risks. Many women with BRCA mutations, particularly those with a strong family history of cancer, choose to undergo these surgeries as a preventive measure. Some women may opt for surgery to remove just the fallopian tubes, as recent research suggests that this may also help reduce ovarian cancer risk. Fact number 5. Lifestyle changes can help lower risk. Lifestyle changes can play a huge role in reducing the risk of ovarian cancer, especially for women with BRCA mutations. Healthy habits like maintaining a nutritious diet, regular physical activity, and avoiding known cancer risk factors can help manage and lower the chances of developing cancer. Certain foods are believed to help in cancer prevention, particularly those rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. A diet filled with leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, and allium vegetables such as garlic and onions has been shown to help lower cancer risk. Green tea, which is rich in polyphenols, is also considered beneficial for women at risk of cancer. While lifestyle changes won't completely eliminate the risk, they can contribute to better overall health and may improve the quality of life for those already diagnosed with cancer. Understanding the connection between the BRCA gene and breast or ovarian cancer is key to taking action for your health. Knowing whether you carry a BRCA mutation can help you explore preventive measures that could lower your risk of developing breast or ovarian cancer. From genetic testing to early detection and preventive surgeries, there are many ways to protect yourself if you're at higher risk. Also, don't underestimate the power of small lifestyle changes. Eating well, staying active, and avoiding harmful habits can give your body the strength it needs to lower cancer risks. And most importantly, if you have a family history of cancer, consider genetic counseling for personalized advice that could be life-saving. Your health is in your hands, and the more you know, the better equipped you are to make life-saving decisions. Stay informed, stay healthy. If you liked this video, please press the subscribe button for more health-related advice and insights. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your time and we'll see you next time. Be healthy and keep flourishing.